Hi everyone. I'm going to show you quickly how you can upload items from your computer desktop to your Google Drive. So first, from ClassLink, you'll want to access your Google Drive. Once you have opened your Google Drive, you'll see right up here there is the New button. Click New, and then you have an option to do a file upload or a folder upload. So first, let's do a file upload. You'll see here I have access to what is on my desktop, what is in my downloads, what is in my documents. So you'll want to make sure as you're uploading that you get everything. Check in all of these areas. So I am just going to choose from my desktop the sub login. I'm going to open and it's already complete. Now let's say you want to do multiple files at once. If you click and then hold Control, it will allow you to select multiple documents. You can see that they are highlighted in gray. Click Open. And well, here I've already uploaded some of them, but you can do Replace Existing Items. And then you'll notice it's uploading all of those at once. Another way to do it is if you have folders on your desktop, you can do a folder upload. Click on the folder and click Upload. It gives you a quick warning. This will upload all of these files. Only do this if you trust it. Click Upload, and then you will find that you have a new folder right there in your Google Drive. I am happy to help with this. Please reach out and let me know how I can help, and have a great day.